Are you here looking for another YouTube video talking about top-rated status and how to get it with some Upwork tips? This is not exactly it, because I'm going to talk about the secret sauce, the hidden level, the end boss. The level above top-rated. Upwork Talent Cloud. The level that no one has ever told you about. Even though everyone's looking for that coveted top-rated status, there is a level above that, and it produces better results, better clients, longer-term contracts, and overall everything better. So have we been lied to? Have we been deceived? We have not. Top-rated is still good. However, you need to get the next level, enterprise level clients. So why am I qualified to talk about any of this? Well, I've been on Upwork for 9 long years, and I've helped over 700 people successfully build an agency on Upwork and outside of Upwork. But before we dive into the content, into the meat and potatoes, hit the subscribe button because you will support the channel, and I promise you many more videos like this. Also hit the thumbs up button to support the video, and leave a comment below if you appreciate the video or if you have a question. So let's dive right into the content. What is Upwork Cloud Talent Cloud? So Upwork Talent Cloud is a special feature in Upwork for enterprise clients. From a client point of view, you sign up to Talent Cloud by getting on a call with an Upwork representative, and then you get assigned an Upwork account manager who's going to help you hand-pick freelancers and agencies to work with you. You don't need to be an enterprise client in the sense that you don't need to have a billion-dollar company or work at a billion-dollar company, but a lot of people that are enterprise clients, because it costs money, they tend to be bigger companies or represent bigger companies. So there are 2 ways to get into a talent cloud. Essentially, every enterprise client can have their own little talent cloud, which is a talent pool they can pick out of. The 2 ways are you can either be invited into a talent pool when an enterprise client decides that they want to create a bench of freelancers and agencies that they can call upon at a moment's notice, and then you run in and fix all their problems, or you accept a contract from an enterprise client who also has a talent pool cloud thing, right? So here's the deal. 1 employee in this enterprise company, in a bigger company essentially, he selects you and you're in Talent Cloud. What happens now? All the other people in the enterprise company, they're able to see you as a priority freelancer. And when they're looking for a certain type of freelancer or agency, you're right at the top of the results for them. And that means you get a lot more invites. And the invites can be very good, well-paying projects. So I have some good news and some bad news. To get into these talent clouds, you're generally gonna have to get invited. Very few enterprise clients post jobs openly. So you're gonna have a hard time finding an enterprise client by yourself and applying to their job. But if you get accepted, you may enter a talent cloud. Now, here's the thing. If your account is in great standing, you have lots of reviews, you have lots of money coming in, you may get invited to join a talent cloud or apply to a job. Now, even if you may not want to do one of these jobs, I would still get into the talent cloud by doing this job that you may not even like. Because once you're in, you get this sweet, awesome shower of client requests to work on bigger projects. And once you get them on calls, you can sell them whatever you want. And it's usually a bigger company with big, juicy budgets. So definitely accept those enterprise client invites. And Upwork wants you to. Upwork wants it so bad that you accept those. Because Upwork loves them as well, because they pay a lot of money. Now, I have a little hypothesis, okay? I'm just gonna share it with you. I don't know if this is true. I don't work for Upwork, so I don't really know. But here's my little hypothesis, okay? Once you're inside 1 talent cloud of 1 enterprise clients, other enterprise clients are more likely to hire you and add them to your talent cloud. When you see those big profiles on Upwork, they're sometimes in like 12, 13 talent clouds, especially in highly in-demand niches. So what should you do now? If you're just starting out, get top rated first and then look for those Talent Cloud opportunities by applying to enterprise client jobs, but also expand your profile, get more payments on Upwork, get more reviews that are 5 stars, maintain top rated, which requires 90% plus on your profile and some other stuff. I have another video about it in the description, how to get top rated, and also have a video for you breaking down the algorithm of Upwork. If you know the algorithm on Upwork, you're able to do magic because you're able to increase your ranking on the platform and get more invites. More invites means you're more likely to get invited into a Talent Cloud. So hit the subscribe button, watch the videos in the description. I have a whole playlist on Upwork, and see you in the next video below in the description.